guess who just came to LA?
Hi.
Say hello.
Hi.
Who are you and why are you appearing in this video?
Hi, I'm Bianca. I'm not sure in which order the videos are gonna be released, but if you've seen me, yeah, you probably know me.
She's the co-founder of WellCode and she came to LA. We have a team offsite with Google. We are at Universal Studios and check out this great view of Los Angeles. Are you excited to be here?
Yes, I'm actually very excited to be here.
That is my kombucha. I'm trying to eat and drink as healthy as possible. I started searching for the microphone and I couldn't find it, so I'm so sorry. The sound on the video will be terrible, but I hope you'll enjoy at least the images. Probably if you work a lot and become a good software engineer, you'll be able to come here as well and visit this park. We just did the Walking Dead thing and Bianca is scared. Bianca, how scared are you?
Okay. I was very scared. I yelled, okay.
Yeah, she was yelling almost all the time. We're now doing the Universal Studios tour and visiting all the cool places where some well-known movies were filmed, and I'm so excited. 30 minutes later we're still on the line waiting for doing the tour, but it's moving fast, so it's not, you don't get the feeling of when you're just waiting in a line and nothing moves. So here's the illusion, the line is a lot longer but it moves faster.
Now, if you think that looks like a real airplane, that's because it used to be. Production went to an airplane graveyard in the Mojave Desert, purchased that 747 for about $60,000, then had to transport it all the way here to the back lot, which cost them about $200,000, because it's always the shipping and handling that'll get you.
Just been to the Harry Potter ride. It's simulated motion and it was incredible. I didn't do anything like this before, but it felt so real. It was like being there with Harry on a, how do you call the thing which you fly?
Broom? On a broom?
Yeah. Yeah, so it was so good.
Yes, and I got this cute backpack which looks like Hedwig.
Did you like it? How did you like the ride? You have more experience with amusement parks.
Yeah, it was, the video quality was a bit lower than something I tried before, but actually the whole experience was better because
you like Harry Potter,
yeah,
and you like the setting.
Yes, and I like the setting very much.
So we're going to the parking lot. It was a great day. I enjoyed it. The best thing was the tour, and also enjoyed the Harry Potter ride, which was incredible. Like it was all like a projection on some walls, and there was something which was moving you around, so it wasn't like a real roller coaster, but the experience was way better. You actually felt like you were speeding through the air and flying, and I highly recommend it.
Yeah, pro tip, if you ever come here, try the single slide because it's way shorter, and if you don't mind being alone on the ride and not with people that you came with, because it's a pretty short ride and I don't want to spend 2 hours waiting if I can go alone.
Yeah, and you'll just wait with them in line, so you'll spend a lot of time together, and you don't need to spend that 1 minute during the ride with them because you won't concentrate on them. Take a look at the beautiful Los Angeles
And the castle
yeah, there's the Harry Potter castle. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like this, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to our channel. We'll be releasing more videos, and I wish you all the best.